Welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we are going to be making some Yaki Onigiri. So we've made this before on our channel, but it was in combination with, I think it was ramen. Basically, we just make triangle kimbap or onigiris, and we're going to pan fry it, brush on a little bit of sauce to make it really good, but we're going to make two different types. The first one's going to be tuna mayo, which is like the staple in Korean kimbap. It's really good. The second flavor will be a cheesy gochujang triangle kimbap. So good. I was thinking about adding kimchi, but I decided not to. But if you guys want to do that while you're making this, it'll be really good. So let's just jump right in and check out these ingredients. So let's start off with the tuna mayo yaki onigiri. We are going to be making the filling by mixing tuna and mayo. We'll use our can of tuna. I really like Korean ones, and I do believe that it does taste different from American ones. Let's make the sauce that we will be brushing on top on the outer layers where the rice is. So we are going to combine soy sauce, oligosaccharide, which is oligodang, and if you don't have this, you can use honey, and also some cooking wine to this. We'll give it a really good mix. We'll leave all of this aside and work on the cheesy gochujang yaki onigiris. So for this, the filling is cheese, and we basically only have to mix the rice. So let's mix our rice with some sugar, gochujang, sesame oil, and soy sauce. So this is really good for picnics. I feel like we're doing a lot of picnic things right now. It's really good to take around, or just as like a quick bite. You can make it ahead the morning of and then eat it during your afternoon break or for lunch. It's just really convenient and quick, and I really understand why Asian countries have this and they sell it at their convenience stores. It's like their version of our cold sandwiches that don't taste good, but this one actually does taste good. Now we are going to be making the mold. So if you guys have this triangle mold, use this, and if you don't have this, I'm just going to be molding it with my hand, but if you want to use plastic wrap to really get a tight, good shape, you can do that too. This summer, we are planning on doing a lot of summer picnics. We have Grace's ice bag. Ella got a new wagon. We have really nice picnic blankets. Like, we are so ready for this summer, which is why we are doing a lot of foods related to picnics. So you guys can enjoy picnics as well. I don't know if we'll be going out that much actually, because it's been so hot. Like, today is extremely hot. I got out, I was like, whoa, it's so humid, but it was only like 70 degrees at that point. But yeah, we're very excited for our picnics. We're only doing two flavors today, but if you guys have some crazy combination that you guys know is good, let us know, because we will try it out for you as well. And also, if you guys like these types of videos, we will work on trying to find really good toppings or flavors to introduce to you guys. So do you guys know what it's time for? Please remain seated. Today's word of the day is 졸업식, which means graduation. We are doing this word because right after this, well, not right after, we have to go buy flowers, but our cousin Irene is graduating today. We are very excited. Somangi, or Irene, was like the baby of our group until our really younger ones, Callie and Enoch, came into the picture. But it's so weird that she's already going to college, and it just like flew by. I mean, high school.
Whoa.
gift for you. High school. It just makes me realize that I'm really getting old. And if any of you guys have a big accomplishment, like some type of graduation, congratulations to the class of 2023. Today's word of the day is 졸업식, which means graduation. For the air fryer, we are gonna cook it at 350 degrees for about 7 to 15 minutes. And I'm giving that huge range because I feel like every air fryer is different. Grace's air fryer, this one is very strong. It's probably gonna err on the side of the 7-minute mark. We're gonna cook with 2 different methods. One will be on the stovetop where we pan fry it. You have a little bit more control with temperature or brushing on the sauce, things like that. We decided to do 2 different methods and test out which one is better. For the pan frying method, we're gonna add a small amount of olive oil and pan fry it on medium heat or until the outside is crispy and golden brown. We're gonna brush sauce on each side throughout the cooking process. For the tuna, we're gonna top it off with some sesame seeds, black sesame seeds for the tuna mayo, and regular brownish sesame seeds for the cheesy gochujang, and we are done. We just have to enjoy it now. We are gonna be eating now. Should we start off with the kimchi?
No.
The tuna? Okay.
Wow.
To eat.
So good.
The nudelji is so good. It's like
So good.
perfect kan. Like the seasoning is perfect. Oh, it's getting sunny again.
Yeah, I love the crispy rice.
I actually really like the sauce on the outside.
I feel like it complements the inside really well, actually. Wow, that looks so good. Wow.
That one's just a little, it's a little different, huh? It's sweet and spicy and savory. And it's really good.
I love the cake. So good. And the cheese, like, on that.
Oh, look at her.
No.
Which one do you like better?
You know, usually I like tuna mayo, but I feel like the other one is just so flavorful. It's kind of hard not to like more.
I like the tuna.
Tuna? A little more mild.
That was all we have for today. Leave a comment down below if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on our next video.